2014 Nissan Maxima 3.5 liter V6. What we got done, it's got factory converters there. They're all tucked in the motor somewhere, there and there. Then it's got flex pipes and it singles out into a third converter right there. Then we did a massive 3-inch system, 3-inch into a vibrant 3-inch bottle muffler. Part number 1794. We'll have a link in the description for it for you guys. Then we continued the 3-inch pipe all the way into a 3-inch to 2 1/4 stamped Y pipe for better flow, true flow. Then 2 1/2-inch pipe on each side, right there and right there, into massive 5-inch tips. Because you know what? Why not, right? And it looks phenomenal. It fills that gap really nicely in the bumper and everything. Come get you guys some. Hope you guys like it. And if you do, smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and definitely share with your friends and family and everybody that has a Maxima. 2012 Nissan Maxima V6. What we got done on it, got factory converters there, and a third converter there. Then he left the resonator on because he's got kids. He didn't want it too loud. And it's got 2 1/4 pipe, wide out. And we did a rear muffler delete. This car comes with 2. One on this side and one right there and right there. Into 4-inch tips on each side, chrome or stainless steel actually, there and there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off right there. You got to add hangers to them. That's what we did, and you guys saw that. Like, if you like it, let us know. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please make sure you subscribe. Oh, that's perfect. Wow. That's a new setup. I like this setup. That sounds mean, man. It sounds like a V8. Wow. No rasp. You notice that? Again? Let you guys hear the sound decibels. Again? You peaked at 110, bro. You want to back it out. He came out sounding better than the other one. Because the other one had that the Y pipe. It wasn't that good. This is a true flow of Y pipe on it. One more. Let you guys hear on this. There's sound decibels. Again. 101. Not too bad. Now. Nissan Maxima. Not too bad. Remember, guys, it's got 3 cats and a resonator still on. There it is. Let you guys hear on the inside. Five-inch tips. Look how deep that is. That sounds phenomenal. I think he'll be back. He's going to change the resonator. It's too quiet. What do you guys think? Let us know.